Hello everyone, this is YTG, your trading guru, and as usual we will be discussing and simplifying ICT trading strategies, so you won't have to watch the boring ICT lectures for hours. But if you can't watch this 5 to 10 minutes video, then better not to trade, because trading is a game of patience, and if you can't watch this 5 to 10 minutes video, then I'm sure trading isn't for you. Now, before starting the lecture, make sure to like and subscribe the channel to stay connected. In today's lecture, we will simplify an ICT trading strategy in form of a structure that keeps on repeating, whether it's Forex or it's crypto. And one more thing I feel the need to tell you here is that you can't earn if you keep changing your strategies every next day. The only way you can earn is by sticking to a single strategy. So if you don't have a strategy that works, just watch this video and practice it, and the results will be astonishing. Okay, so first I will draw the structure and then I will show you those structures on Bitcoin and E-mini S&P charts. Okay, so in this strategy we use 4-hour and 15-minute chart, and I use this strategy personally for swing trades because my stop loss is usually wide and my targets are big. So I don't use this strategy for scalp trades, I use this for swing trades. In this strategy I wait for structures like this. Let's suppose I open a chart and I see a pump like this on 4-hour. Okay, so what I do is I don't enter the trade, I just wait. Let's suppose a swing high is formed here, it comes back towards here, then I get a pump and we take these lows. Okay, so what I do is I wait for this low to get taken. Once this low gets taken, okay, I switch to 15 minutes chart. Okay, and there I see a pattern like this, and then I wait for this high to get taken on 15 minutes, and once this high gets taken, I wait for the pullback for any fair value gap to get filled, and this is where I get my entry. Okay, I use a stop loss, okay, below the swing low here, and I get an entry at this spot like any fair value gap, and I will enter here, and then my target is big enough. Okay, like there would be a previous swing high somewhere somewhat like this, and that would be my target. Okay, so you can see the target is big because this is you get the structure on 4-hour, so I use wider stop losses. Okay, and I just do swing trades, and it tests my patience. Like it takes 2 to 3 days to form this structure. Okay, like this from here to here it will take 2 or 3 days. This is what it looks like, and now I will show you this structure on Bitcoin chart and E-mini S&P. Okay, so I will take the example of this one here. Okay, see, we got a pump. Okay, so it came down, these highs got taken, and it came down again. Okay, and these lows got taken, and these highs got taken, these. So half of my structure is formed. Then what I do is I wait for these highs to get taken on. I open 15-minute chart, and you can even use 4-hour chart. So once these highs are taken like this, I wait for these fair value gaps to get filled. I get an entry here, and I put my stop loss below the swing low. You can see the stop loss is wide, but the target is even bigger. So you can see the pump is big enough compared to the stop loss. So this is a good structure for your spot entries. Okay, the target is big. I will show you some more examples here. Like, okay, here you can see it has pumped. Okay, came down, these highs got taken, these lows got taken. Again this swing high got taken, the gaps got filled, and straight pump. Okay, so you see these structures everywhere. Okay, even on smaller time frames you get to see structures like this. Like you can see the present Bitcoin chart. Let me move to smaller time frames. You can get this structure on smaller time frames. Okay, so here you can see you got a pump. Okay, it came down, these highs got taken. Okay, now these lows will get taken, like these lows or these, and then when the structure breaks to the upside and the gaps get filled, I will long towards these swing highs. Okay, so you can find the structure everywhere, but I usually go with the 4 hour as the targets are big.